Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Bhumika and I hope you all are doing absolutely great. So I just woke up like 10-15 minutes ago and today I'm doing a one color food challenge. So for the people who don't know what exactly it is, I'll be eating only one colored food. For example, if I'm choosing blue color, then I'll eat only blue colored food for the next 24 hours. So yesterday I asked you guys on my Instagram to suggest me which color should I choose, and most of them wanted me to do either black, purple or red. So black and purple is not possible at the moment, so I thought red would be a great start for it. So today I'll be eating only red colored food for 24 hours. So if you're someone interested, then please keep on watching. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. And without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So my mom is using a beetroot to get the red color and making me breakfast. क्या बना रहे हो आप?
मूंग का चिल्ला।
Okay. So it's 9:30 in the morning and I'm finally starting the challenge. So as I mentioned before, I will be eating only red colored food for 24 hours. So from today 9:30 a.m. till tomorrow 9:30 a.m. I will be eating only red colored food. And I'm having the very first meal, that is my breakfast. And for breakfast, my mom has made some moong dal ka chilla, but she has used beetroot to get that red color. So now I'll have my breakfast and then I'll catch you guys. So this is how the parathas look like the chilla looks like. I hope they taste good because I'm having this for the very first time. So let's eat. So I'm just done with my breakfast. The chillas tasted really yum. Like I have had moong wale chille before, but this one had beetroot and I was like skeptical how it will taste, but it tasted very good. Now I'll take my shower and I'll catch you guys when I will be taking my next meal. Till then, bye. Hello guys, so it's 11 a.m. and I'm a little bit hungry. So my mom gave me some carrots. They are also red in color. Also, I'm wearing a red top so that it matches the theme. Now I'll have it and I'll catch you guys on my next meal. Hello guys, so it's 12:45 and it's time for lunch, and please ignore my face. I haven't applied any makeup because I'm at home only. So talking about the lunch, my mom has made so many things and everything is red. I'll show you guys. So this is beetroot gajar ka halwa. This is tomato ki sabzi, roti, red roti, carrots. This is a chutney of red chili and some tomato soup. I'm excited to have especially the red roti because पहली बार जिंदगी में रेड रोटी खा रही हूँ मैं. And she has used red food color to get this color, and now let's have our lunch. So as you saw, I'm just done with my lunch and the halwa was like so yummy. It was the gajar and beetroot ka halwa and it tasted really good. Like you can try it out at home. And now I'll catch you guys once, like whenever I'll have any kind of meal. I think I'll have something around 4 or 4:30. So I'll catch you guys then. Till then, bye. So it's 4:30 and I like literally slept for last 2 hours. I just woke up. I got freshed and now I'm having some strawberries because I'm not that hungry. So my mom gave me some strawberries and you won't believe उसने इतना कुछ कुछ बना के रखा है. Like literally she have prepared for the night also. She made some खोबरे की बर्फी, that also is red in color. Also she is going to make strawberry cream at the night, and one of my cousin is coming to meet me and I'm so excited. Like she's coming from Pune. I'll make her meet you guys, and now I'll have some strawberries and I'll catch you guys later. Hello guys, so it's 6:30 in the evening and I'm craving for something sweet. So I thought let's make a cupcake. So I made this red velvet cupcake and now I'll have it. Let's see how it tastes because मैंने बनाया है ये खुद. It's yum. So now I'll have it and I'll catch you guys later.
Look who's here and who is joining me in the red food challenge. I mean, क्या है वो? बोल.
मैं आवड़े.
मैं देखना रही हूँ.
नहीं देखनो.
मैं देखना रही हूँ. We are having some red imli. It is red in color. रिया बताओ. By the way, she is Riya.
हेलो गाइज, प्लीज़ इग्नोर माई फेस. बहुत थक गई हूँ मैं सुबह से. और नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर हैविंग माई डिनर. एंड फॉर डिनर आई हैव red color matar patties. I'll show you one minute.
These are the matar patties. This is ketchup and this is khobre ki barfi. I don't know what you guys call it, but this is also red in color. So I'm going to enjoy my dinner and I'll catch you guys if I have any meal next.
Hello guys, so it's 11 p.m. and I'm going to have this strawberry cream which my mom made. This is red in color. I don't know if the camera is capturing or not, but it is red in color. Also, as I mentioned before, one of my cousin is coming to meet me. Here she is. Hi guys. She's Chetna and you may have already met her. Hi. So we are going to hang out like tonight and we'll do some masti वगैरह, but I won't show it to you. कुछ बोलना चाहोगे?
नहीं.
क्यों? रेड फूड चैलेंज.
ये चीटिंग कर रही है गाइस. ये रेड नहीं है, ये पिंक है.
नहीं, ये रेड है.
ये पिंक है. मतलब दोनों है बट पिंक भी है. तो पिंक वाला पार्ट तो नहीं खा सकती है.
ओके मैं अलग अलग करके खाऊंगी. अब दिस मच इट्स ओके बिकॉज मेरी मम्मी ना अब मेरे को मारेगी अच्छे से. सुबह से ना उसका इतना दिमाग खराब किया है. रेडी चाहिए, रेडी चाहिए, रेडी चाहिए. But it's okay. I think this is going to be the last meal. If I wake up early tomorrow, then I will have one more red meal. मम्मी सामने ही बैठी है. But I think ये last ही meal होगी. But still I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Till then, bye. Good night. Hello guys, so it's the next day and I woke up around 9:30, 10 and then I went to hospital for the 2 hours, and for the first time in my life I watched 2 deliveries. One was the labor one, like normal, and the second one was cesarean. So I just came back home, I had my food and that's it. Like I completed 24 hours eating only the red food. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did then don't forget to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And if you guys want me to do any other food challenge or any other challenge with my family, then please let me know in the comments below. I would love to do that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.